Hello, Type Choice here. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to duplicate a layer in Adobe Illustrator. So without further ado, let's get right into it. I've created a new Illustrator document, and as you can see, I have opened the Layers panel, and I have a layer right here. If you don't have the Layers panel open, you can find it up in Window and choose Layers. You can also use the keyboard shortcut F7. And we will now get this layer panel right here. Right now I only have this one layer with this rectangle shape in it. But let's say we actually want to duplicate this layer. We can actually do that by selecting our layer right here. And from here we can actually just take our layer right here and drag it down where you can see this little plus icon. And if you just let go right now, we can see that we have now duplicated our layer, and our new layer, that is this one right here, is now named layer 1 copy. So yeah, we now have this new layer, which is the exact same as the layer we duplicated. We can also duplicate this layer by doing the same thing, by just selecting it, dragging it down to the plus sign right here, and let go. And we have now duplicated again. If you want to delete it, we can select it and drag it down to the trash can icon right here and just let go. And we have now deleted our layer. So yeah, that is actually how to duplicate layers in Illustrator. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video. That was all for now. See you in the next one.